Alright, so most of y'all remember a couple weeks ago we had the network outage. It kind of affected everybody. Basically what happened was there was a trunk issue in our telco bell south AT&T. And what happened was the trunk that's in the telco, what happens is all the switches in the cloud are all trunked together. So basically they had a trunk which cut the connections off. So basically what happened was I was able to take and look at the output of our switches during this.
You have light in your basement. Let's turn it off. Turn it off.
No, I need this.
He's the demonstration.
Is that better?
Yeah.
All right. So basically I was able to look at the switches and locate the problem using a little known tool in the Cisco iOS software called Area Disable. So that's what this is going to be about, Area Disable. Like I said, Area Disable is built into a Cisco iOS of the switch. And basically what it does is it detects errors on the switch interface and shuts that interface down. So what I've got set up here is a little lab with a Cisco switch and a loopback connection. Area Disable, there's a bunch of different causes that can cause an error. Link flaps, duplex mismatches, BDBs, guard violations, security violations. But what we're going to do here is a loopback. So basically, let me pull this up here. Hopefully we can see it on here. I've got Cisco switch here and the terminal console. So you can see the output. So basically, I'm going to invoke the loopback scenario on the switch. What a loopback is when a switch interface sends out keep alive and hello packets. When it receives one that it sends out itself and receives it back, then it's a loopback. So basically, when I'm going to put it in here, you'll see it light up green, then it'll light up amber or orange, and then it'll cut off. And then you also see on the output over here, the switch will show you. It comes up there. You can't read all of it, but right there, loopback detected, loopback error. It shut the interface down. As we see now, no more lights. So now the interface is shut down. Somebody calls in, interface is shut down. We trace it straight to this interface, and we can find out what the deal is with it. What we can do here is we can put in a show command here that'll let us know loopback reason. I've got a feature turned on that's a recovery, an automatic recovery. 246 seconds, it'll try again. It'll see loopback. It'll start over again. So basically, what happened with our network outage was we had link flaps from this telco. It's 10 seconds. If you receive more than 5 flaps in 10 seconds, it airs out, shuts it down. So with us using this feature, we actually benefit from it because the network outage could have been a whole lot worse because we're using dual circuits. So basically what happens is the better circuit was failing. So as it goes down, our routing protocol recalculates everything, sends everything out the other side. Well, what happens when it comes back up? Well, it's flapping up and down, so what are you doing? You're using your routing protocol back and forth, and it's all confused, and it can't reroute everything because it doesn't know what to do. Because you're up, you're down, you're up, you're down. So basically, it shut it down, and it stabilized the network. The switches that could get out, it stabilized those switches that they could get out for alternate paths.
That's the whole good thing about it.
Basically, that's the concept of Area Disable.
Cool.